Hi, I'm Damien from Platform 9, and I am excited to show you a demo of an amazing new feature coming to vJailbreak, rolling cluster conversion. In this demo, I'm going to show you how vJailbreak can be used to convert VMware virtual machines and their vSphere hosts to private cloud directory. First, I'm going to begin a new rolling conversion by selecting the VMware cluster and the credentials for my private cloud director environment. I want to convert all of my Ubuntu VMs, so I'll select those, map the network and data storage for those VMs on that cluster, and begin the conversion. Now I've got a new conversion, and I'll zoom in a bit to view its details with vCenter on the left side. That box in the bottom middle shows the VM's vMotioning off the host, so it can be put into maintenance mode. Then the host is disconnected and removed from the cluster to be converted to a private cloud director host. Over in my private cloud director user interface, we can see the new server complete its onboarding. This process repeats as another host is converted and added to private cloud director. Skipping forward a bit, we now have 3 hosts converted to private cloud director, and the VM conversions have begun. As the conversion is complete, the left side shows the virtual machines powering down in vCenter. Eventually, all of the VMs are converted and the last host is converted to private cloud director. Finally, here are my new private cloud director hosts and their virtual machines, all converted from VMware using vJailbreak.